Hi everyone, here's how you can clear recent files in Photoshop. Let me quickly open Photoshop. I'm using this one. Now, here are all of the files you have edited earlier, and sometimes you may not want them to appear here. So to remove all of them, go to File, click on Open Recent, then click on Clear Recent File List. Now you can see that this has removed all the recent files. However, if you edit another photo, it will again appear here. But if you do not want any recent files to appear here, go to Edit, open Preferences, and click on File Handling. Here, you can choose the number of recent file list entries. If you write 0, there will not be any recent files. Click OK, and if you open or edit any files, they will not appear here. If this video helps, thank you very much.